Does any of this noise sound familiar to you?
They don't have a constitutional right to block me.
Irma hitting Jacksonville.
Is it revenge?
To say, get that son of a off the field.
Such poor leadership ability.
President Trump, quote, paid dearly, calling him a...
All this noise you heard, all of it, none of it's going away. Not a single one of it's going away. It's just going to be a different story a month from now, 6 months from now, 12 months from now, 5 years from now. By the way, on top of all this noise you heard, you're going to have noise about who you marry, your faith, your career path, whether you choose to become an entrepreneur, whether you say, I want to make 6 figures. All of a sudden you start making 7 figures. They'll say money's important to you. Your friends will talk behind your back. If you're worth $100 million, they'll say, oh my gosh, this guy's so full of it. If you become a billionaire, you know what they'll say? They'll say he's disconnected from the average life. But whatever you ever do, there's going to be this noise. So one of the things I had to learn, took me years to learn this thing, was this. You have to understand that the noise, if you aspire to become bigger in life, the noise is going to get louder and more people. You got to turn off all the noise. Let them keep speaking because they're just promoting you. Turn off all the noise and do what you need to do today to execute your game plan. And then eventually you'll realize that the only time noise will stop is when you die. It's the only time. It ain't never stop until the day we die.